share you the tutorial what options you get. So let's start. So let's take the image of this flower. So first, what the options you get is auto. This option I personally do not use, but people can use if they are not known to professional editing or they want their own style. So because it actually automatically adjusts the overall light, colors, etc. of the photo according to it, but I generally do not use it. Second option is the light. In this you can export the image as an HDR or SDR. You also get light curve over here, which you can adjust for colors, etc. You can see you can really take a lot about it, and if you're really known how to edit this, then you can turn this photo into a fantastic one. Plus you also get this option as creative assistant, but this is for professional use, so this is not available on the free version. In the color section you can actually do color grading, which is really cool, and you can mimic the Apple's photographic styles, so you can really get a lot out of this image. And you can adjust many things in color grading. For example, shadows, midtones, highlights. You can adjust this all. If you want to change the overall color of the photo, not just individual aspects of the photo like highlights, then you can adjust the global, where it actually adjusts everything, and I do use it. Plus you also get color mix option, where you can adjust the hue, saturation, etc. And you can also have a black and white option, but this is just a singular mode. I'll show you a better black and white filters which you get inside the app. You can individually adjust the vibrance level, you can adjust tint, etc. These are very basic features. In light as well, you can actually individually control the whites and the blacks of the photo. In the blur section, you can actually blur this photo on the background, but it is only available for professional version, so you have to buy a professional version for it. In the effect section, you can actually adjust the overall texture of the photo. You can increase the clarity of the image. Just look at this is normal, and just take a look. It's really good, and I personally use it a lot. You can actually use to dehaze it. You can also adjust the grain level, etc. And in the details option, you can adjust the noise level of the individual aspects of the photo. For example, color noise. In optics section, you can remove the chromatic aberrations if they are present in the photo. This really helps in low light, especially because in low light many of the chromatic aberrations appear in the photo. You have a profile option where you can actually turn the photo into a really gorgeous one. Just take a look at it. You get a multiple options where you can really adjust the very depth of the photo. Just take a look at it, and it's really pleasing. They are not artificial filters like you get. They are really good. And I was talking about the black and white options. Just take a look at this. They are just so stunning. Just take a look at those. It's really cool, and you can literally change the perspective of the photo. You also get tons of black and white option over here. You can just see. You also get a new styles called as modern, vintage. If you want a vintage look, you also have vintage option, artistic, etc. Where was it? Yes, here is it, artistic options, where you can actually really make the photo look wonderful. And these are the options I really like. And if you want to actually save this photo, just click on this share option, and this will actually save directly on the device with full scale. Like, this will be a full photo, it will not reduce the resolution of the photo, so this will be a full quality photo which will be exported in the camera app. So this was the overall editing options which you get in the Lightroom. Most of the people don't know, but actually you can click the photos from the Lightroom app. Yes, you can actually click the photos. So most of the people don't know that you can actually click the photos from the Lightroom app, because if you go in this section, you do not get any option called as you can click the photos, but it's a very secret one. Actually not that secret. If you have an iPhone, just long press on it, click the option on take photo, and this layout appears. Over here you get three options: automatic, professional, high dynamic range shot. High dynamic range means it automatically adjusts the overall exposure, etc. In the professional, you can actually change the file format to JPG and DNG. If you wish you want DNG, then you can switch DNG, but I keep it JPG. Here you can adjust the exposure, you can adjust the shutter speed, which is I've set to auto. You can adjust the ISO, you can adjust the white balance. Overall, you can switch between the lenses over here, and this is really cool, and I actually like this. You can zoom a lot, like as you can do on normal camera. So these are the options which you get. So guys, this was a Lightroom tutorial.